Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Techiness Overloaded. Today we will see how to solve the playback not available error in Sony Bravia TV while opening video files, especially MP4 files with file size larger than 1 GB. First, download HD Video Converter Factory from Wonderfox and install it. Download link has been provided in the description, or you may download any other efficient video converter of your choice. Now open the video converter and select the required video file, and then select .mkv Matroska video as the output format and click Done. Wait till the file is converted. That's it, you can now play the video file in Sony Bravia TV without any problem.
Subscribe now to Techiness Overloaded and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded.